Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video, and today we're going to be unboxing Apple's smart keyboard for the 9.7-inch iPad Pro. And this smart keyboard will finish off my suite of accessories because I have the Apple Pencil and my iPad Pro, which is right here, but I don't have the smart keyboard. So let's go ahead and unbox this with this giant knife. This is definitely not necessary, but we will do it anyways. And then, here we go. There's more tape on this side, so we're just gonna not cut that away. So here we have our packing slip, which is conveniently located here with my name on it. And the box we don't need, so that goes over there. So here it is, the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard made for 9.7-inch iPad Pro. And I'm scared this knife is going to make a hole in this box, but we're going to do it anyways. So let's start. That's not working. Next knife. This one. Normally I would burn off the plastic, but I don't have time to today, so here we go. This one works. So gently slip the plastic around the box. And here we go. One piece. And the other piece. And now for the big reveal. So the first thing we're going to see is designed by Apple in California. And this conveniently little thing that we don't need with all your necessary paperwork, with installation and a startup guide. And your warranty information, and this can go away. And finally, you have your smart keyboard. Like most MacBooks, it is wrapped in plastic. And first thing we're going to do is go ahead and open this by using the pull tab. Take it out. Put it away. And here we have the smart keyboard. The top is very alike to the smart cover that I have on my iPad right now, and the bottom is also microfiber. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this off, and there's conveniently located what you would find on most keyboards, a piece of paper to cover the keyboard. And so this works by folding over. Starts to work. So that your iPad can rest on here. So what we're going to do first right now is install this onto my gold iPad Pro. So as you can see on the bottom, there are 3 little holes. Focus. And then you're going to stick it right onto here, just like your regular smart cover. Open this, fold it over, and it's perfect. So now you can conveniently type on the iPad Pro. So what we're going to try and do now is type something. That is convenient because caps lock is on. So it feels just like a normal keyboard with just extra fabric on it. And the iPad rests comfortably on here. You can see, and it stays nice and slim. And because this keyboard is made by Apple and using the smart connector, then you don't need to recharge it or connect it via Bluetooth. So it works just like a normal keyboard. All you have to do is learn to use it, and again, there are keyboard shortcuts to switch between tabs. And of course, if you press Command Tab, then you get to your app switcher, which takes you back to the home screen. And I will show that in a close-up in a little bit. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect it, just like so. And we're going to fold the keyboard up. Comes just like that. It has a little bit of a hump, but that doesn't really matter to me, because I'm going to be using this for a lot of things. When you're done with the keyboard, just close it. It stays a little bit thicker than the smart cover because of the keyboard, but it still folds together really nicely so you can use it comfortably. Just it doesn't offer much protection for you, but still works great. So you need it, pop it out, and there you have it. And also, right now, while it's brand new out of the box, I noticed that this part right here is really stiff. It doesn't lay flush with the table unless you have your iPad on it. So that's something you have to train it to do, so it can become flexible. You see, sit flat on the. The only problem with the typing is the keys are way too small. So see, my hand could cover the whole keyboard. So right now, I'm typing. Why is this not working? Oh, I have to sign in now to my Outlook. Sorry for that. So you can see that it types just normally, just like a regular keyboard, except it's just different because the keys are smaller, so there's less key accuracy considering the amount that you used to have. So you can see the keys are very, very small, but there are a lot of helpful keyboard shortcuts. So the smart keyboard does include a numeric pad, and right now you can see it's covered in nice fabric, and it also matches up with the iPad's True Tone display. And the amount of detail that has gone into making this is extreme because it's very, very high quality. And if we keep on zooming in, you can see the tiny little keys. Just very, very tiny. See, if you compare one of these keys to my finger, it's enough to so my finger can completely cover it. The great part about this is the variety of keys. For example, you get this little globe key right here, which my camera isn't focusing on, is for to switch from different languages or to your emoji keyboard. Then you get your control key, which is not focusing. Then you get your option key, your command key, your space bar. Then on the far end you get another command key, an option key, then you get your arrow keys. Going up on the east side, you get your keys that you would normally expect, your arrow, your shift, your return, your slash, and your delete key. And then on your west side you get your universal keyboard key, your shift key, your caps locks, your tab, and your weird symbols. And now some of the commands you can use if you don't know any of them by going from app to app. For example, if you're on the home screen, you can hold Command down, and it will show you what your shortcuts are. For example, it says go to home screen, search app, and show dock, and it shows you which keys for you to press. So you're able to do that. Once you let go, it disappears. And then if you go into Safari and you go onto, let's say, a website, then for example, we're here on the Apple website, and you press on the keys, then you will and if you hold down Command, you can show the different commands that are available for Safari. Like for example, we have reload page, back, find on page, open location, new tab, close tab, and open split view, etc., etc. Going from smallest to biggest, the smallest, the smart keyboard for 9.7-inch iPad Pro starts at $149, while the smart keyboard for the 10.5-inch iPad Pro starts at $159, with the most expensive and the biggest one at $169 for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. Now all of these are currently available on Apple.com, with the 10.5-inch and the 12.9-inch available for in-store pickup, with the 9.7-inch for shipping only. Table. But otherwise, the fabric is really nice and it's a great product. I'll give you my review in about a week once I get a chance to use it for everything that I need to use it for. And make sure you stay tuned for that video. And let's go over and head for a quick mod project.
A secret kiss from painted lips. Yeah, we can move in. A taken bed, a sun to set, and maybe we're falling.
May all be over before it's begun. Let's get it not over before it's begun.
Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video, and I hope you enjoy that. My next video will be next week, because in case you didn't know, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll get notifications about whenever I upload videos, which it will be every single week, and stay tuned for that video. So make sure you subscribe, drop a like on this video, comment down below what you would like to see me do next, and I'll see you guys next time.
Clever game.